So let's talk about compressor fridges. Now we're currently in a 𝗚𝗲𝘃, but this type of fridge may also be fitted in camper vans as well. Very simple to use. They only use one power source, 12 volt. So whether you are off grid or whether you're hooked up to a 230 volt supply, it will still only use a 12 volt supply. First thing to look for is the blue light here, which signifies that it's on. If it's not on, you'll likely have an isolation switch. On this 𝗚𝗏𝘃, it's underneath the passenger seat. So the controls are at the top. All we do is we press it and we press and hold and it will begin to flash, and then we can adjust it. Now the controls on the left here are for the fridge compartment, and the controls on the right, the stars, are for the freezer. So say for example, if you put it on the lowest setting for the freezer, it's -6. On the highest setting, it's -18. So a great setting for compressor fridges is night mode. So if you want it to be a little bit quieter, if you're a light sleeper like me, all you do is get the control panel up by pressing it, press and hold, and it will begin to flash, and then you set it on to blue. Now, night mode is on, it will run a little bit quieter, and there's no need to worry about turning it off the next morning. It will automatically shut off after 12 hours. Now, there are a couple of nice features worth noting on this compressor fridge. Because it's 12 volt, you don't need to turn it off if you're running on gas. If you have lots of perishables in there and you've got a long journey ahead, leave this on, this will run whilst you're traveling. And also this particular one, you don't need a separate travel lock. So on some fridges, you might have a lock at the top, lock at the bottom. This one, you haven't got to worry. Positive lock, it's not going to come open. And should you be putting your motorhome into storage, there's a blue catch here. You simply flick it around, put it on the first catch, and it gives you ventilation in the fridge to help stop any mold.